Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Limitless BWL. So today I finally have a video after so long, but I will kind of give you guys an update about where I've been and all that good stuff in an upcoming video. Today we have a full face of NYX Cosmetics. I'm even going to be trying their new foundation, so I'm super excited for that. I did a poll on Instagram whether you guys wanted to see a kind of night out look or an everyday makeup look. Everyday makeup look one, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's just get straight into the video. I was lucky enough to go on a shopping spree with NYX at Scarborough Town Centre, and I had a great time. The artists there and everyone are so nice, so I got to pick out a bunch of stuff. So thank you so much, NYX Cosmetics Canada, for the opportunity. So I'm going to start off with my brows, just as always, using their Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. It is in the color Espresso. I will list all the products down below as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in just as we would all brow products. So I find that this is very creamy, so a little bit is going a super long way. I'm going to quickly fill in my brow and I will be back. If you guys want to see a brow tutorial on how I always do my brows, you guys can check the link down below. Okay guys, so now that we have our brows on, we're going to start on the face. So of course, I always start with the color corrector. So we're going to be using their Pro Foundation Mixer, and this is in the shade Warmth something. I don't know how to pronounce the second word. You guys will see it down below. Foundation and STC actually told me that this doesn't only have to be used mixed in with your foundation, and you could just apply it as a regular color corrector as well as she does. So I'm super excited to try this out. A lot of people always ask me for affordable color correctors, so hopefully this is amazing. So the consistency of this feels very, very liquidy. I wish I had a brush, but I don't. That's a very nice orange. I feel like dabbing it like this is building the consistency rather than wiping it as I would with my other color corrector. I think it's very liquidy because it is meant to like be mixed in with the foundation. So that makes sense. I feel like we could just kind of go for it actually. A lot of you tell me the Smashbox color corrector is too drying on your skin. So this would be perfect for you because it's very hydrating. Like it feels very hydrating on the skin. Now we're going to be finally using the foundation. This is kind of going to be my first impression. I did want to do a video on it because I know a lot of people wanted to see it, but I'd rather do like a review on this because it's a really hyped up foundation. So let's go ahead and apply it. This is supposed to be super full coverage, so let's go ahead and blend it out. I am going to be using a damp beauty blender. The coverage is so nice. Wow, my skin looks super smooth. So as you can see, it's a little dark for me, but I mean, like, when is the foundation not dark for me? I actually prefer going a little bit dark with my foundations nowadays so that I can go ahead and highlight my face really well, because I really enjoy like a bright under eye look and stuff. So I don't mind this at all. Okay, so as you guys can see, the foundation looks amazing on the skin. Like, I absolutely love it. Usually drugstore foundations will crease in my smile lines very quick, but this did not, and it looks super smooth. The color is a little bit dark for me, but I'm sure we're going to make it work by the end of it. So yeah, now we're going to set our face, but I'm going to just use my Cover FX setting powder because you guys know this is the holy grail for me, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so now we're going in with my favorite concealer. You guys already know this. This is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade number 7. I totally forgot to say what foundation this was. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation in the shade Mocha. So again, all the colors, everything will be listed down below if I do forget anything. I love this concealer and I love the shade so much. Taking our beauty blender and just blending it all out. As you can see, the shade just brings back the brightness in the skin. Normally I can't get away with the concealer this light, but with the color corrector it's fine. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but like I love a super bright under eye. Now we're going to set all that in place with the NYX finishing powder in the shade Banana. This looks very nice. Very smooth. I thought it might look kind of gray, but it does not, so that's beautiful. I literally forgot to get a bronzer, blush, and highlight. So for that, we're going to be using stuff that I always use, but NYX does have great products for blushes and highlights. I know that for sure, and I think they have a contour palette as well. But for everyday look, I don't always contour. Sometimes I like to just bronze my skin. So we're going to be using the ABH bronzer in Mahogany for that. I'm just going to apply it the same places I would normally contour. So, cheekbone, my nose, forehead area, temples, jawline. Once you do that, if you feel like it doesn't look as sculpted as you like, you could just go in with your powder again, like whatever you baked your skin with, and just carve it out. So that instantly gives you more of a contoured look. We are using NARS Torrid because it is my favorite everyday blush. Okay, and I have no idea how I forgot to pick up a highlight. I literally picked up so much stuff but forgot these essentials. So since NYX is kind of like a drugstore brand, I guess you could say, I would be using a drugstore highlight, and this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. It's a beautiful highlight. Just applying it on the high points of the face, nose, cupid's bow. Okay guys, so now that we have all that highlight on, just look at it, it's beautiful. We're gonna go on to doing our eyes. Normally for like an everyday makeup look, to be honest, I don't do my eyes, but for the sake of this video, and I know some people just want to know like a really quick, easy eye look, we are gonna be using the NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette with like beautiful warm tones. So let's go ahead and dive right into the palette. I think this palette's the perfect everyday palette because it has like the basic neutral matte shades that I would use and beautiful shimmer shades as well. So let's get right into it. So I'm probably just going to stick to matte just because, again, for everyday look, I don't like to wear too much eyeshadow. So I'm probably going to start off with this, and if it's not deep enough, we'll go ahead and put that, and we're just going to use it right in the crease. Actually, I'm just going to mix both of those together. And I love extending the shade out. It's honestly such a pretty shade. I kind of want to just put that all over my lid, but we're not going to do that. So what I am going to do is just kind of put it on the outer corner, just a little out, just to add a little bit more of a oomph factor. Now I'm going to take this light nude shade right here and just put it on the lid, just like the first third, because we do have the other shade like blending in. Very just lightly dusting it on. I'm going to take the same shades that I used on my like crease and outer lid area and just blend it like and smoke it out in the bottom. I love using kind of like a red tone on my bottom lash. I mean my bottom lash, you know, guys know what I mean. Just because, I don't know, I feel like it makes it look like so sultry. Okay guys, so that is the eye look. Very, very, very simple. But we can't just stop there. We need to put some highlight in the inner corner. So I'm just taking that highlight we used on our face and just fluffing it into the inner corner. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. I need to blend that out. That is a little too bright for my liking. The last step for the eyes would be mascara, but if you guys have been following me, you know that I don't really do my makeup and not wear lashes because I don't have lashes. So unless it's like a super just like everyday running out for a quick errand kind of thing, I picked up a pair of natural lashes from NYX because you guys always ask me what are good natural lashes, and these looked so beautiful and like natural but wispy at the same time. So I just put some lash glue on. The trick to putting on your lashes is letting the glue dry a little bit. Okay guys, so now that we did that, you guys can probably tell the lashes are super natural. They show up way more straight up than they do on camera, but they're really beautiful. I would definitely suggest this one if you guys are looking for like a drugstore, like affordable natural lash. It is in the style Vixen. So now time for the lips. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you already know that one of my favorite drugstore lipsticks is the NYX Cosmetics Lingerie in Beauty Mark, right? Beauty Mark, yes, Beauty Mark. So I love this, and we're going to pair it up with the brown lip liner just because you know I always wear one. So this is in the shade Mason, so we're just going to go ahead, put this over here. Now that I lined it as I normally would, we're going to go ahead and apply the liquid lipstick on. Okay guys, so there's the final look, and I heard nothing but great things about the NYX matte finish setting spray, so we're just gonna go ahead and spritz that. Okay guys, so here we have the final look, just a really simple everyday kind of makeup tutorial. I feel like this lip color I love, but it doesn't go with the eyes as much as I would like, but it's the only lip color I have with me right now, so it's gonna do. It's still a beautiful color, and yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel maybe. I'd love to know what your favorite NYX products are. So saying that, that is the end of this video. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I'm gonna be posting more often again, so yeah, bye guys.